Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 12th. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if we see Bitcoin on the daily time frame, I just closed a kind of bullish candle, but not really bullish. It's sideways. We can say it just tried to go down, but failed to sustain below, again went up and closed just above its opening range. If we see on 4 hour, it's visible that it tried to make a kind of double top pattern, again went down, uh, but from this support level, it just took a good support and just went up again and just trading in between this range for now. And yes, that's it. It's just consolidating in this range. And also, if we see, we planned up a trade right at this good support level, and it went really well upside, and I booked most of the profits at somewhere around here, maybe 1:1. I guess yes, 1:1. I've exited most of the profits as it took a good rejection from this area, and let's see if it comes back and reverses or just goes upside. Also, I have trailed my stop losses to break even, or and for now it's just in a consolidation and also on a crucial supply level. So it might be possible that it could go down or just give a breakout upside, because it's a really crucial level, and price is consolidating here. So we have to look for the price breaking this previous lows and sustaining, or the previous highs and sustaining above them. So no bias, or no, till no bias, we won't be planning any trade in Bitcoin, so no trade for now. Coming on to Ethereum on the daily time frame, it just closed a bearish candle after getting a good breakout upside, and seeing on the 4 hour time frame, it just failed to sustain above and gave a good selling candle. Again, it's consolidating on this important level. Till it breaks this level, it is not bearish again, and also it might be possible it again shows some bearish pattern. Then we could plan a sell trade, or it might be possible that it might go upside and give a upside momentum, so it would be bullish then, but till it breaks this previous high or low, it's not in any trend. uh, Also, we planned this trade yesterday on Ethereum. uh, it's currently running on CTC or some small profits, so I just reduced my stop loss to this area. So let's see if we get a stop loss or just price goes upside again. uh, or you might get your stop losses right here only, not trailing it much, as it might be possible the price may come here again and then go up. So it's totally up to you. My suggestion is just keep your stop losses right here only, so that there are high chances that we could get a profit out of it. And for now, Ethereum is bullish, and until it breaks its previous these lows, we are not going to say it's in selling, as it is on a higher high pattern, which tells us it's bullish. Okay, so that's all for Ethereum. Coming on to XRP on the daily time frame, it's just closing a really small indecisive candle, so no body is there, so nothing much could be said on daily time frame. Coming on to 4 hour is just trying to make up a triple bottom pattern formation. So yes, it's a good pattern formation, but as we all know that this is a pure uh, bearish trend going on, and uh, this pattern formation and a bearish trend is slightly considered weak. So uh, we can plan up a trade here like this with small risk, aiming for this previous high liquidity or this highs. Also, if we come up to 1 hour time frame, okay, just a second. Also, if you see it's on a lower low pattern, not a lower low pattern, but if we see it's unable to break its previous low and previous high as well. So it's in a consolidation phase right now, XRP is in, and it's forming a triple bottom pattern. So, and also its previous highs are shrinking down, not able to break its previous swing highs. So its selling is intact, or the bearish momentum is intact. So it's not advisable for of taking this selling trade. So if you want to plan, you can plan it with very small risk or avoid this trade. But uh, uh, this is a good setup formation, so I'm just telling you, you can, if you can bear the small risk, otherwise just let it go. Also, if I say this is the major zone for selling we have marked with, so we want the price to come up till this level, where also if it comes, we can book our profits of the this trade as well. So yes, that's the view for XRP, and no buying on lower time frame is advisable. Coming on to next, BNB on the daily time frame, it's just bearish. Uh, Candle closing came, but with a strong rejection from the downside, also seen. Coming on to 4 hour, it's seen that this was the previous low, which price is unable to sustain above, and also gave us double top pattern formation at the very high of this strong high. Again, if we see, it's just also, if I show you, it's also this what we say, head and shoulder pattern formation is also seen on BNB right there, as this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head of the pattern, and this is the neckline. It broke and gave a fall. Also, it's also bearish, and no buying could be seen till it breaks its previous high and just sustain above it. So we would only be looking for sells in BNB. Again, if we mark this level, this could also be seen as a selling zone for BNB if the price makes a good selling opportunity here. That's it for BNB for now. Heading on to Solana on the daily time frame. Okay, it showed a really big rejection from downside, and a strong wick has formed, uh, creating a doji candle on the daily time frame. Seeing on the 4 hour, it's completely sideways, so nothing much to say for this. Again, on the 1 hour as well, it's only sideways, so no plans. Okay, let me see. As we are in a bearish trend, this is a good level, we could say, as a selling level, and this could be our trade. So yes, this could be marked as a good trade for Solana for now. If you want to plan, you can plan this trade. And yes, it could be marked as a good trade for Solana. Um, yes, it looks good. So coming on to Dogecoin lastly, Dogecoin on the daily time frame closed a good bearish candle with less rejection, with kind of a rejection from this key level we have already marked with it earlier, and also on the 4 hour time frame it's on a also on a consolidation phase, as no significant buying or selling could be seen. It's just consolidating in this uh, zone. So also this was the lastly double top pattern formation was seen. So we could mark this likely to be this as a good selling zone for this Dogecoin. This could be marked as a good selling zone, and till then, no selling right here till a good pattern formation is seen. And also, this is a good support zone being created here by the price. It's not a demand zone, but it's creating kind of a good support from this level. So yes, again, for the fourth time it is taking support from this level, so it is a really significant level for Dogecoin for now. So let's see if the price continues taking its support from this level, or just crosses this level and continue its downtrend. That's it for Dogecoin as well. So Dogecoin is in a consolidation phase. Let's look for some selling opportunities, or just good change of character or continuation of the trend to have a good or more good set of trades. That's it for today. I hope you like the analysis. Thank you so much.